Hello, in the previous video we saw how to accept input from the keyboard of integer data type now let us write a program to accept input from the keyboard of float and of character data type. Now we'll write now as we want to display the output in float data type, so we need to declare a data type as float a. Now printf enter any number. Now as we gonna accept the input, so printf percent f always for float data type and ampersand a, because it's gonna store whatever we give input from the keyboard is gonna store in the variable a. So ampersand a semicolon printf percent f comma a. Now here a means it's gonna fetch it from a, whatever the value of a will be printed here. So you all know, in the previous video you know how it is done. So in this program whatever the input we give, that itself will be the output. And get ch return 0. We'll run it, no error. I'll give as 12.12. The output will be 12 trailing zeros up to 6 digits. So this is how we accept float data type from the keyboard. And now let us have a look at character data type. So for character, we need to change that float and enter a number, enter any character instead of percentage %f, %s. Here also %s. So the difference between float, integer and character data type is, in character data type always in the printf statement we are supposed to write ampersand here, that is shift 7. In any other data type it is not necessary to write ampersand in printf statement, but only in character data type it is always necessary to fetch data. And one more thing is, when we compile it, when we run it, only up to 2 to 3 digits can be printed if it is of character data type. I'll show you. Here I have missed clear screen statement, so I'll run it. Only 2 to 3 characters if I print it is fine, because how the numbers are stored in the processor memory and how the characters are stored in the processor memory are quite different. So if I want to store 8 or 9 letter character 8 or 9 letter word, I have to store it in a different way. So that storing will be, so I need to create an array. So that's all a big process. Not a very big process, but the storing is quite different. So that will be we will be learning after we learn loops and if functions, because when we understand if and loop functions, so we will also understand why the array was introduced. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching.